Once again, welcome back all programmers. Today in this hand-on experiment number 7, we are going to learn again a very simple program, and this program is about to input radius of a circle and print its area, circumference and diameter, right? So if you know about circle, okay, so in this one, what is that? If you are going to have a circle, okay, then circle is having center and that having a radius r. So what is the area? Area is pi r square, right? Pi r square. Okay, that you know. And what is pi? 22 by 7 or 3.14, whatever is best possible for you that you can write. Then what is circumference? Circumference is the total length of its edges. So this is coming from 2 pi r, right? So this all formula you need to know. And diameter, what is diameter? Diameter is 2r, means uh, like this way, r plus r is whole diameter, okay, passing through the circle. So this basic preliminary you should be able to know, you should be knowing before doing this hand-on experiment, okay, for circle. So let make the program. Okay, so what I am going to do, I am going to write a I'm going to take input from user for the radius. Understand? So I'm going to write r for radius. R is equal to, I'm going to write with integer typecasting. Then again I'm going to write here input. Okay, and then I am starting here input, and I'm asking from user that enter radius of a circle. Okay, so you will enter radius. You have a choice to enter in float, then enter in float, no problem is there, is that? So here you see r equal to integer typecasting input enter radius of a circle. So radius will be given in terms of integer. Now what about area? Area is pi r square, and how to write pi here? Is it for that? I'm going to write p for pi equal to, I'm going to write here 3.14, right? So I declare pi is of which type? 3.14, and 3.14 will go as a floating type. Okay, so now I need to calculate area with a Python expression. So area is equal to pi r square. So pi, then asterisk, then again r, then again I am going to write here r, pi r square. There is one more way r square to write here. So I can write here pi asterisk asterisk 2, is it, pi r square, like that. So this program is coming later on when I'm going to teach you to input a number and input its power and print x to the power y. There I'm going to let you know, but now here only you understood 2 pi r square, like that, is it? You see pi r square, I'm going to write here pi into r, that will go as the area, right? Now next one, what about circumference? Circumference is equal to 2 pi r. Is it there? So I'm going to write here 2. I'm going to write here 2 into pi, for the value pi p, and then again I'm going to write here r for radius, 2 pi r. Is it? And then of course diameter is equal to, what is that, 2r. So I'm going to write here 2 into r for radius. Is it? Double the radius, it becomes diameter, right? So accordingly I'm going to now multiply here. I'm going to print here. I'm going to write here print. I have to write here radius of circle. Okay, radius of circle. This radius, I'm just printing here like this, radius of circle, and that is given here. I'm going to write here given, and that is coming from where? Coming from r, right? So radius is coming from r. So that I written here. Then again I'm going to write here print, and then again I'm going to write here, and that writing I am going to write here area of circle. Okay, I'm going to write C in capital, let me write, okay, circle. Then what is the area of circle? This is coming from A. Done. Then again I'm going to write here print. Again I'm going to write here, again I am going to put here what is that, circumference. Circumference of circle. Okay, this is going to come from which variable? We have taken C variable, is it? This. Okay, so circumference is coming from C, and then one more is there. I'm going to write here print, and then I'm going to write here diameter. Is it? Diameter of circle. Circle. Okay, and that is coming from, what is that? D. Okay, so I had written four statement here. Radius of a circle given already, that you are inputting, understand? And then area you have calculated, that is coming from A. Then you are going to print circumference, that is coming from C, and then you are going to print diameter, that is coming from D, right? Now let's make our program in runtime. Okay, so I'm going in runtime. I'm going to run the module. It is asking me to save. So here you see, guys, we enter in running time here. Enter the radius of a circle. Let's suppose radius I'm entering here 5 centimeter meter, that to be adjusted, is it? So I'm going to press enter key. Just check it out. Radius of a circle given is 5 centimeter meter, like that. Area is coming 78.5. Circumference is coming 31 point something like that here, because it is in float nature, is it? And then again diameter is coming here, what, 10 centimeter diameter, is it? So this is about finding area, circumference and diameter for the given or inputted radius of a circle, right? You can also modify printing of the circumference, is it? Because you see that is coming in precise digit. Okay, so that's all. It's a very simple program. You should try. All right, so try it. Okay, and remember, learn now or fail later. See you next.